Today I'm going to change this switch on the Volvo 2008. The reason why I'm changing is because this push button here, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a T25. We're going to remove this cover, and then we're going to remove 2 bolts. After removing the 2 screws, disconnect the harness, take out the switch, and I have the part number here. You can get it at the nearest Volvo dealer. After that, after you install it, you just put everything back together, test it, and good to go.